Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your account on the ALDI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the three dots icon down below, then scroll down and tap on my profile. Here, if you tap on settings, you can add your personal details, such as your email address. You can select the title that you use, your gender, then you can add your birth date, then your name can be added, as well as your phone number, your marital status, your occupation, and the language of the app too. If you are done with these details, click on the save button down below. So if you go back to the previous section, you can also add your interests in terms of your diet, if you are vegetarian or vegan, and your interest too can be selected. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.